Ready to take control of your Bitcoin with a secure and easy test wallet. We are diving into a step-by-step guide on how to use the Edge Bitcoin wallet. First, download the Edge app from your app store. Once installed, tap Create Account, choose a secure username and a strong password. Make sure it's something you won't forget, but also hard for others to guess. Next, you'll see your recovery phrase. This is extremely important. Write down these 12 words in the exact order they appear and store them safely offline. Think of it as the master key to your Bitcoin. Tap I have backed up only if you've actually noted it down. Edge will verify the phrase. Great, you're in. Now let's send Bitcoin. Tap on your Bitcoin wallet within the Edge app. Click the send button. You'll need the recipient's Bitcoin address. Paste it carefully into the address field. Double check it is correct. Enter the amount of Bitcoin to send. Review all the details, especially the address, before confirming the transaction. Transactions are irreversible. Done. To receive Bitcoin, tap the request button. Your Bitcoin address and a QR code will be displayed. The sender can either scan the QR code or copy the address to send you Bitcoin. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Edge wallet and learned how to send and receive Bitcoin. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase safe and secure.